Widowmaker here.
And today we're going to be showing you the brand new Overwatch Lego sets.
So, these are so new, the Lego store doesn't even have them yet.
We got them before the Lego store had them.
Yeah.
No, we didn't get them free or anything. We just found them.
Yeah.
So, first we have Bastion. So, this is Bastion's set. His number is 75974, and he has 602 pieces.
Okay.
Bastion's like a robot, and he turns into a turret.
Yeah. Okay. Next we have Diva. Versus Rheinhardt. The set number is 75973, and it has 455 pieces.
This one Bastion has more than both of them.
Okay.
Okay. Next, we have Dorado Showdown. So
Guessing that's in Mexico.
There's Reaper Soldier. Yeah, that's Reaper Soldier 76 and McCree. So the set number is 75972 and 419 pieces. I don't know how this thing has 419 pieces, but it does.
Next one is Tracer versus Widowmaker. The set number is 75970, and it has 129 pieces.
The box is so small, yet it has 129 pieces. Okay, and so last we have Hanzo versus Genji. Genji's Dragon Blade. It's just a green sword in this. So the set number is 75971, and there's 197 pieces. These two have the almost exact, like they have almost the same amount of pieces, yet this box is so small compared to this one. So thank you for watching our video, and hopefully when these come out you can get them for yourself. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye everybody.
Peace out.